Hey, what's up guys, it's Franco here, and today we're going to be doing how to do a Darth Vader voice. Now, what you want to do is record yourself. I am your father. And then when you finish recording yourself, you might want to do critical A on this audio. Go to the effect, go to change pitch, and now make the percent change to -12%. So click OK, go to the effect again, go to echo, and make sure you put this number here. Now click OK again, go to tracks, add new, and go to stereo track. So click select on the first audio and copy. And now click the second audio and copy and paste. You see that? There. So the last one but not least, go to low pass filter. Where is it? There you go. Low pass filter, and make sure the frequency is 6000 and make sure the roll off is 12 decibels. Now click OK, and now let's see the results.
I am your father.
So yeah, that's pretty much it. Kinda fast when I look on tutorials and do some stuff. So yeah, that's all. If it's not good for you from this audio, then I guess I can try it again. But hey, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.